in our today's video we will learn about and we will derive the formula for the lenses. Lens formula today we will derive, and we will derive the lens formula for both the lenses. As you know, we have two types of lenses. First is convex lens and second is concave lens. This is convex lens and you know this is concave lens. Convex lens is known as what type of lens? Converging or diverging? This is converging lens and this is diverging lens. So today we will derive the lens formula for both the lenses, convex as well as concave lens. Now you know that the image formed by the convex lens forms both the images, the real as well as virtual image, and concave lens forms only real image. So we will derive the lens formula, both the convex lens for the real image as well as virtual image, and we will derive for the concave lens, and concave lens makes only virtual image. So let's derive the lens formula. First, for the convex lens, as you know, convex makes both types of lens, both type of images. So first we will derive for real image formed by convex lens. First we are deriving the lens formula for the convex lens, and in convex lens के अंदर भी we will derive the lens formula for the real image. So first we will draw the ray diagram. Ray diagram के लिए first we will take a lens, that is, this is convex lens, this is optical center. Through the optical center we will draw a line that is known as principal axis. This is optical center. We will denote the optical center for this convex lens by letter C. Now we have to remember one thing: when the convex lens forms the real image, in that case the position of the object is beyond the focal length. That means जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा, a convex lens forms two types of images, real as well as virtual, depending on the position of the object. कि in front of lens where is your object is located. So in case of real image, object is placed is held perpendicular to the principal axis beyond focal length. The real inverted image is formed. So let us see how. Suppose this is the object AB, which is placed perpendicular to this principal axis and beyond the focal length object is placed. In this case, real image will be formed. So let us see. From this object, suppose from this object one ray will go parallel to the principal axis, and after entering into the lens, it will change its path because ray is traveling from rarer medium to the denser medium. Therefore, refraction will occur, and this incident ray, after going into the denser medium, or you can say after going into the lens material, it will change its path and it will pass through the focus. So this point is known as focus. So this is incident ray and this is refracted ray. So this will refracted on passing through the focus. Second ray from the object will pass through the optical center, and you know the rule, the ray passing through the optical center after entering into the lens will not deviate from its original path. That means it will go straight and cut this refracted ray at this point, and here the image A dash B dash real and inverted image of this AB object will be formed. So we will derive our length formula now. We will take two triangles A, B, C and A dash, B dash, C. These two triangles are similar triangles. So the ratio of the sides of these two triangles would also be equal. So as triangle, we will start our derivation like this. As triangles A dash, B dash, C and A, B, C are similar, therefore A dash, B dash over AB is equal to B dash C over BC. B dash C over BC. This is first equation. Second is, in the same way, we will take the second triangle. Here mark the point D. Triangle DCF and A dash, B dash, F are also similar triangles. So, as triangles, कौन सी? A dash, B dash, F and CDF. A dash, B dash, F and CDF are also similar triangles. Therefore, the ratio of their sides would also be equal. Therefore, A dash, B dash over CD, A dash, B dash over CD is equal to B dash F over CF. B dash F over CF, and this is second equation. Here you can see that the distance CD is equal to the AB. So we can easily replace the distance CD by AB. So here we will replace as CD is equal to AB. So we will replace this CD by AB. So here you can see that from these two equations, A dash B dash over AB, A dash B dash over AB. That means both left hand side of both the equations is equal. So we will equate the right hand side. So from first and second, B dash C over BC is equal to B dash F over CF. And this is third equation. Now you can see that B dash C, this is image, this is optical center. So this is a fixed distance known as image distance. BC, this is BC, this is also a fixed distance, that means known as object distance U. So we do not need to change these two distances because these are fixed distance. But we have to change B dash F and CF. B dash F. B dash F. This is not a fixed distance. We have to find it. In the same way CF. CF is also not a fixed distance. We also have to find out. So now we will find out B dash F and CF. So we will write B dash C over BC is equal to B dash F. B dash F को we can write B dash C minus CF. B dash C minus CF. And CF is a fixed distance, that means focal length. So this is CF. So B dash C can be replaced by V and plus of V. Sign conventions के according it would be of plus of V. BC is minus of U, and in the same way B dash C again V minus CF is focal length, that means F, and CF again F. We will cross multiply. It would be VF. It is minus of UV plus UF. Now we will divide on both the sides by dividing on both the sides by UVF. अब देखो VF over UVF is equal to minus of UV over UVF plus UF over UVF. UF cancel, UV cancel, VF cancel, and we are left with 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by F plus 1 by V. So we will take F to this side and we will take 1 by U to that side, and it would become 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U, or we can write 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is lens formula for convex lens when the image formed is real image. In the same way, we will do the lens formula for the when the image formed is virtual image. So let's rub it and second is lens formula when the image formed is virtual image. When virtual image is formed, let's first draw the diagram. This is lens, convex lens. This is optical center. Through the optical center, we will draw a line known as principal axis. This is optical center C. And for the virtual image, the position of the object is held very close to the lens. So suppose here the object is placed between optical center and the focus. So this is object AB. Through the object, one ray will go parallel to the principal axis and it will pass through the focus. This is incident ray and this is refracted ray. Second ray from the object will pass through the optical center and it will go undeviated. Here you can see that they will not intersect each other at this side. For the image formation, we have to produce these two rays at the back side, and these two rays appear to meet at this position, and a virtual, erect and magnified image of this object will be formed behind the object. आप देख सकते हो, this position of object is image is behind the object. So a virtual, magnified and erect image is formed behind the object. Now this is the ray diagram for the virtual image formed in case of convex lens. Now we will start our derivation. As you can see, the triangles A, B, C and A dash, B dash, C are this is F. ABC and A dash, B dash triangles are similar triangles, therefore the ratio of their sides would also be equal. So as triangles A dash, B dash, C and ABC are similar, therefore A dash, B dash over AB is equal to B dash C over BC. B dash C over BC. This is first. Now the triangles A dash, B dash, F and C, D, F are also similar triangles. So as triangles A dash, B dash, F and CDF are also similar triangles. Therefore A dash, B dash over DC is equal to B dash F over CF. ये रेशो भी इक्वल होगा. This is first equation and this is second equation. Now CD is equal to the AB, so we can easily replace CD by AB. So On comparing first equation and second equation, left hand side of both the equations is equal. Therefore, B dash C over BC is equal to B dash F over CF. B dash C is image distance. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का जो distance होगा ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से इमेज तक का distance, that is known as V. ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से ऑब्जेक्ट तक का डिस्टेंस इज नोन एज U. सो B dash C, ये वाला डिस्टेंस, इट्स अ फिक्स्ड डिस्टेंस, वी नीड नॉट टू चेंज इट. एंड BC इज ऑल्सो अ फिक्स्ड डिस्टेंस U. वी हैव टू चेंज B dash F. B dash F वी कैन राइट, B dash F को भी लिख सकते हैं B dash C plus CF and it is CF. So CF. Now B dash C is minus of V, BC is minus of U, and this is equal to B dash C is minus of V plus CF would be plus F. So plus F over CF, F. Now ये minus से minus cancel. Now again cross multiply, it would be VF, and this is equal to minus of UV plus UF. Now again on dividing both side by UVF. So UVF and UVF. UF cancel, UV cancel, and VF cancel. 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by F plus 1 by V. Easily take 1 by F to this side and 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this is lens formula for convex lens in case of when virtual image is formed. Now we will derive the lens formula for concave lens, and you know that concave lens forms only virtual image whatever be the position of the object. So now lens formula. For concave lens, and concave lens only forms virtual image whatever be the position of the object. Again I am telling you, whatever be the position of object, concave lens always and always forms virtual image. So this is a convex lens, this is optical center. Through the optical center we have marked a line, this is known as principal focus, this is optical center. Suppose this is object placed somewhere in front of lens. So this is A, this is B. From the object, one ray will go parallel to the principal axis, and as you know that concave lens is a diverging lens. So this ray, after entering into the lens, going from rarer medium to the denser medium, it will bend towards the normal, and this ray would go like this. So it will diverge, it is a diverged ray. Second ray from the object will pass through the optical center. So this is the second ray, but image to form nahi hui. Now what we will do? We will produce the refracted path of first refracted ray back side, and here the two rays will intersect each other and image is formed, and this image is a virtual image. You can see that this is erect but not magnified. This is smaller in size as that of object. Size object के size से ये image छोटी image है, and this point is known as focus. So this is the image A dash B dash between focus and the optical center, and this is the object in front of the lens. Now we will do the same. As triangle ABC and A dash B dash C are similar, in the same way A dash B dash F and C D F are also similar triangles. So as triangles, कौन सी triangle ABC and A dash B dash C, A dash B dash C and ABC are similar triangles. Therefore A dash B dash over AB, A dash B dash over AB is equal to B dash C over BC, is equal to B dash C over BC. This is first equation. In the same way, in triangle A dash B dash F and CDF, in triangles A dash B dash F and CDF, these are also similar triangles. Therefore, A dash B dash over AB is equal to B dash F over CF. This is second equation. Okay. See, from these two equations, left hand side is again equal, so we will equate the right hand side. On equating the two, we will get B dash C over BC is equal to B dash F over CF. And you can again see here B dash C is image distance. So this is a fixed distance. BC is object distance and CF is focal length. So we will change these two. B dash F को we can write B dash F. B dash F को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can write CF minus B dash C. CF minus B dash C. हमें इतना डिस्टेंस चाहिए B dash F, उसको हम लिख सकते हैं CF में से अगर हम B dash C माइनस कर दें तो we will get this distance. So CF minus B dash C over CF, and B dash C is V, but minus of V. So minus of V over BC. BC is U, so minus of U, and this is equal to CF. CF is minus of F minus B dash C. माइनस B dash C मतलब V, और V के आगे भी माइनस का साइन होगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस V, और CF is focal length, so minus of F. ये माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल, and we will get minus of VF is equal to minus of UF plus UV. Again dividing on both sides, UVF and UVF. We would get VF, UF and UV. We are left with minus of 1 by U is equal to minus of 1 by F plus 1 by V, 1 by V plus 1 by F. Simply we will take 1 by V to this side. So it would become 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So this is the lens formula for the concave lens. And in concave lens, single image is formed. That means single nature of image is formed, that is virtual image. So this is all about the lens formula.